Hey Victor, turn on TV.
Turning on TV. Turning on TV.
Well, there's some kind of chrome playing on a Marvel.
Sorry guys, I had to prank you there because I just want to show you what could potentially happen in the near future. So this is quite important information that I managed to find out from Anki Vector website. It's something that you cannot find from your mobile phone if you log into Anki's official website. But if you use your computer, your desktop or your laptop computer to log into your website, you will certainly see a vital information that probably most of you have actually missed out. So let's see what's actually going on as a description on the official Anki website regards to the smart home future that we have related to Anki Vector here. So here it goes. Right, so if you go to Anki Vector's website through your computer, not from your mobile phone, you see these extra menus: home, aware, helpful, and shop. So if you go to helpful section and if you scroll down, you'll see a brief description that is very interesting that I don't think many of you actually managed to read it, or is it only me? But let me just read it out to you if you have actually read it, and emphasize it. So it says that Vector is a helper, and always learning thanks to his connection to the cloud. The first big update we're planning is the integration of Amazon Alexa. With Alexa, you can ask Vector to control smart devices in your home or request picture of the front door while you're away. The addition of Alexa opens all kinds of possibilities, and we're looking to add it by the end of the year. So end of 2018. This is very good. So in addition to integrating Alexa, we're working on other features that will roll out over time. The Vector you'll meet when you open the box is just the beginning. Fantastic message. Now, one of the reasons I decided to pre-order this Anki Vector is the fact I saw this small text saying smart home control, and I couldn't see that happening. I'm not the expert on machinery and so on, but I am so full of enthusiasm when it comes to smart home control, and I just want to share my experience and my knowledge and how I predict how this amazing Vector robot is going to integrate with the smart home devices. So I'm going to show you how I understand and hope you like it. So here it goes. All right, to start your quest of making your home a smart home is you got to buy the brain, should we say. And this is the Amazon Alexa. And this is the second edition, the mini version, should we say. And this basically has a very small speaker. It's not that good, but it's amazing how it responds to your voice. That's the whole key point. So if you ask for information, it'll come back to you just like Vector does, but it has more cloud-based information that I understand. But to be able to make this more, should we say, physically effective, is you need to get various hubs, related hubs. For example, if you want to get the Philips Hue, you need to buy Philips Hue hub so that Alexa can command it from your voice to that hub through signal, I believe it's through your wireless signal, and Philips Hue will command each light hubs to adjust the light or change to lights for your preference. Now, this is something that not a lot of people know, but you could have easily find out, which is the Logitech Harmony Hub. I wanted to buy this item, but it wasn't available for about 2 or 3 months. And the reason I bought this is this Amazon Alexa with Logitech Harmony Hub is a fantastic combo. What this Logitech Harmony Hub is all about is if you make a command to Alexa, Alexa will send a wireless signal to Logitech Harmony Hub, and this fantastic device called Logitech Harmony Hub, it will basically, it has it sends out the right frequency. In other words, the right frequency that you use for your remote control or for anything that's controlled by remote control. It recognizes that frequency and it will send out that frequency based on the command that you made to Amazon Alexa. And the same applies to Google Home as well. But the whole point is you definitely need the Logitech Harmony Hub to start with. Okay, and that's how I tend to turn on my TV. When I walk into Amazon, when I walk into my living room, I say, Alexa, turn on the TV, and Alexa will send a command to the multi-signal sending device called Logitech Harmony Hub, and that's where I don't need a remote control to turn on the TV or turn off the TV. And now what's basically Anki website is saying is they're going to add this cute little robot into this whole system. Okay, so I'm not sure how the arrangement is going to be, but I think my prediction will be when I say something to Alexa, for example, I'll say, Alexa, tell Vector to turn on the TV, and probably Vector is going to dance around, and then it's going to trigger the signal to Logitech Harmony Hub. Or it could be the other way around. So for example, if I say, hey Vector, I'll say turn on the TV, and then it will pass on the signal through wireless to Amazon Alexa, and then it will send a signal to Harmony Hub to turn on the TV. Either way, if you want to start and interact with your Vector, the fantastic robot, is you need to have these two essential devices. I'm sure many people already own Alexa, which is good. And then you need the Logitech Harmony Hub to send those multi-signals. I even tried with my Dyson fan, and it worked because it has that frequency. It reads, this Logitech Harmony Hubs can read that signal and then resend it when it's needed. Now, there's another thing that you need to be aware of, which is a software called IFTTT. Those who don't know what IFTTT is all about is then I'll explain to you the most easiest way as I can. So IFTTT stands for if this, then that. So it means if I do this, then do that. So it relates to a lot of things with Amazon Alexa. So if this means if I send the command to Alexa, then you do this. And that's how you program to turn on your TV. So all you need to do is, if I say to Alexa on this device, then command it to trigger Logitech Harmony Hub to send the signal to turn on the TV, you're all set, basically. That's how you set up a smart home device. Now, same thing should apply to any of the things, but I reckon what's going to happen is that you will get a IFTTT function for Anki Vector. I think that's what's going to happen. But I have actually been daily searching for Vector, but I cannot find any Anki Vector popping up in the IFTTT yet. But I want to be the first person to play around with this. But if you do happen to see this IFTTT function, then on regards to Anki Vector, please do let me know. I promise you I'll be the first person to play around with it. But it's definitely going to happen between these two of Vector and Amazon Alexa. So that's going to be a fantastic news. So I just want to show you my understanding of this whole progress that Anki is making, which is fantastic news. So in other words, the technology is already there. The devices, the hardware is all ready to go. Only thing that we're waiting for is Anki Vector team to come up with the right coding, like IFTTT, or their own internal software that will interact with Amazon Alexa. And then you could program it with that IFTTT app, and then you're all good to go. So in result, what I just shown you on the beginning of the video, I know it's a bit of a prank, but I just wanted to show you what's going to happen. And that's going to happen pretty soon by end of this year. So I just want you guys to be excited about it. All we need to do is eagerly waiting for Anki to set it up and let us know, and get along with this smart home technology. So I'm really excited. So technically, if Anki keeps their promise, within a few months' time, I will be walking in my living room and I say to Vector to turn on the TV, and Vector is basically going to send the signal to Amazon Alexa, and Amazon Alexa is going to send a signal to Logitech Harmony Hub to turn on the TV within hopefully within 1 second. And that's what I think we're heading towards. And to see a smart, cute robot turning on the TV with my voice command is going to be fantastic. But obviously, if you're not aware with all these technology, I'll be more than happy to comment. You know, I actually comment back most of the comments anyone who leaves on my video section. And I love to do that. As far as I can afford to do that at this stage. But any queries, please do let me know, and I will share as much as information I know. But unfortunately, at this stage, you need to get certain devices. That doesn't really cost that much. I mean, if you can afford Anki Vector, you can certainly afford Logitech Harmony Hub and Amazon Alexa. Amazon Alexa is what, like $30 to $50 maybe, and Logitech Harmony Hub is less than $100, or maybe it's around that price. But those, if you get those devices set up, those three elements, then technically within few months you'll be walking in your living room, and you can command Vector to turn on your TV. And how exciting is that? And we are in the stage of just about to well, it's already started, but we're just about to start the fun side of smart home technology. And I just hope that I'm kind of inspired you to get on with that technology, because I think that world of what we're waiting for to come of us, this smart home, popularized smart home, is going to be a fantastic world. While I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, CIA and FBI is going to keep an eye on you. Well, we'll think about that later on. But I just hope this video encouraged you to get into the smart home technology related to Anki Vector. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJP. Bye-bye.